Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update FreshBooks invoices for recurring client billing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your FreshBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Invoices section on the left sidebar. Click on Recurring Invoices. Locate the recurring invoice you wish to update. Click on the invoice to open the details. Review the current settings to understand what you need to change. To modify the client information, click on the client's name. Update any necessary details, such as the client's email address or billing address. If you need to change the invoice amount, scroll down to the line items. Adjust the quantity or the rates of the items as needed. To add new items, click on the Add Item button. Fill in the item details, including description, quantity, and price. If you want to change the frequency of billing, look for the schedule settings. Select a new billing cycle from the drop-down menu. Make sure to review any other settings that need adjustments. Once all changes are made, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your recurring invoice is now updated with the new information. To ensure everything is correct, you may want to preview the updated invoice. If it looks good, it's ready for the next billing cycle. Remember to monitor your invoices regularly for any further updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.